Hello. Crocheting this apple hook today is easy. Suitable for beginners. Finger winding ring starter. Crochet into coil. 1 upright pin with thread. Not counting needles, 6 short stitches crocheted in loops. After 6 stitches are hooked, tension coil and first pin pull. Another uplift needle second lap crochet, a short needle plus needle in each stitch. So that's 2 short stitches per stitch. 6 sets crocheted in total, 12 stitches finished. After the last stitch is hooked, pull another upright needle with the first pin, pull up and stand every lap needs. No cover up later, third lap. 1 short needle and 1 short needle are added as a group. 6 sets of crocheting, hook 18 stitches. On the 4th circle, a short needle and a short needle are added. A short needle in a group 6 sets of crochet, 24 stitches finished. Lap 5 3 short needles and 1 short needle are added as a group. 6 sets of crochet, 30 stitches. Turn 6. 2 short needles and 1 short needle plus needle. 2 short needles in a group 6 sets of crochet, 36 stitches. Finish 7 to 12 loops, crochet 1 short needle per stitch, 36 stitches per turn. Lap 13, 2 short needles, 1 reduced needle and 2 short needles in a group, 6 sets of crochet, 30 stitches. Needle reduction is to pick the outer half of the 2 needles and enter the needle, merge into 1 stitch. This is a needle reduction. Lap 14, 3 short needles and 1 reduced needle into a group 6 sets of crochet, 24 stitches finished. Lap 15, 1 short needle, 1 reduced needle and 1 short needle in a group. 6 sets of crochet, hook 18 stitches. Lap 16, 1 short needle and 1 reduced needle are in a group. 6 sets of crochet, 12 stitches. Finished? Stuff-filled cotton. Turn 17, crochet. 6 reduced stitches, 6 sets of crochet. Hook 6 stitches. Leave a long thread with the first lead. Pick the outer half of each needle and suture. Closure penetrates from the center point, piercing out from the center point. Pull out a small nest. Thread 2 stitches back and forth on the side. Fix its shape. Main frame complete, leaf crochet braid. Stitching, tie a knot, not counting needles. And then 8 braid needles. 8 needles, after the hook is done, go to 2 needles. Crochet a short needle, next stitch 1 medium and long needle. Back 3 stitches. Each stitch is crocheted with a long needle. After the 3 stitches are hooked, next stitch 1 medium and long needle. Last stitch crochet a short stitch, a braid needle, a short needle, a medium and long needle on the other half. Three stitches back, one long needle per mesh. 3 long needles complete. Next stitch, 1 medium and long needle. Last stitch, a short stitch. With the first lead, disconnect. Apple Terrier crocheted braid. Stitch thread length, tie a knot, not counting needles, and then 8 braid needles. After 8 stitches are hooked big 5 needle. There are 4 pins in total for the hook's lead needle. Leave a long line broken. Sew the apple stem to the main body. Stick leaves. An apple is done.